Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to another edition of the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel. So excited for today because I'm making a smoked mango beer can chicken. I've had beer can chicken before, but I've never actually had it in this style, and I've never made beer can chicken. I've only had it before. But today I know that it's gonna be amazing because I'm making it right here on my Pit Boss Platinum Lockhart, and we're gonna actually season this up with a Pit Boss Mango Magic Rub, which is, oh my gosh, it's gonna be incredible. I can already taste it. My mouth is watering. So why don't we go ahead and get started. All right, so I have my chicken here, and just a little bit earlier I unwrapped it. I removed the packet of the giblets from it and kind of got rid of those. I don't need those for anything right now. You could use those to make a stock or a gravy, anything like that you might want to make. For right now, we're just dealing with the chicken here. So I mentioned this is going to be a mango chicken. Okay, so I have here this Pit Boss Mango Magic seasoning, which is just going to be incredible. I can't wait to put this on here. You can also use this stuff on shrimp. It's to die for on shrimp, or really any kind of seafood. But today we're going with our chicken here. And for my actual beer can today, I'm using this Rhinegeist Zango. It's an ale. It says it's an ale with apple, mango, and tangerine. And this is local to Cincinnati, but you can kind of find it a number of different places. You don't even have to do this. You could do any sort of, like a brown ale will work really well to help bring out those flavors of the mango. But the more mango, the better for today. All right, so I got my Mango Magic. I'm gonna go ahead and season this bird up. This seasoning is what's gonna give the chicken some nice color while it's in there, but also it's gonna really flavor that skin nicely with that mango flavor. I'll make sure I get the whole bird here. Those wings, those legs. Just get underneath all the cracks and crevices here. I know I talk about smells a lot on the Holy Smokes Barbecue channel, but man, the smell of just this seasoning, this Mango Magic, it is, dare I say, magical. All right. I think we're looking good here. Got this bird all seasoned up nicely with this Mango Magic. Now, because I have to overdo just about everything, we're gonna throw a little bit of Pit Boss's sweet heat on here as well, just to, you know, just to kick up that chicken just a little bit. All right, we're looking good there. So now, I'm gonna grab a foil pan here. I'm gonna go ahead and open up my beer. Just gonna leave it just like that, right there in the middle. Now I'm going to place my chicken onto this beer can. And this is the part that can get a little bit, you know, a little intense depending on kind of how you do it here, but you really want that to fit nicely onto that beer can. Just got to work at it a little bit here. There we go. All right. It's in there nice and good. You can actually see it through the top of the chicken here. All right, it's time to get this bird onto the Lockhart. Before I do that, I'm just gonna season it up one more little time here. Just a little more of that Mango Magic. A little more of that sweet heat, just for good measure. All right, we're ready to go. All right, today in the Lockhart, I am using the Bear Mountain Gourmet Blend of pellets, which is this really nice blend of cherry, applewood, kind of a fruitwood blend, also mixed with some hickory, so it's really kind of a great all-around pellet. So let's go ahead and open up the smoker. Now I want to be careful that when I put this bird on, that it stands up, right? So I might have to kind of shift some things around, but there we go. It's like she's standing up nicely. Not really feeling like it's gonna fall over. All right, so now I'm just gonna leave this here on the Lockhart for probably about an hour or so, but I'm not as concerned with time as I am with temperature. When it comes to a brisket or like a pork butt or something like that, I'm really, checking for texture and color and stuff. Since chicken is kind of a fickle animal here, I want to make sure that I'm reaching that magic temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit in the thickest part, which is going to be the breast. And so around that time, I'm going to come out with my instant read thermometer, and we'll just check the temperature in a few different places, and we'll see how we're doing. But ultimately, this is going to come off when it's 165 degrees Fahrenheit. So let's get it in there. See you in an hour. All right, it's been about 45 minutes, so I'm going to go ahead and check this with my digital temperature probe here, and we'll see what we get. So I'm going to test it right here, kind of in the breast meat, thickest part. About 140 there. And in here a little bit, right by the bone. That's nice. Check right up in this area here. 140. So we still got a little ways to go on this. All right, let's take a look and see what we're getting here now. Let's go ahead and check this right in here. 162, 163, 162. Check it over here. 158, 57. So I can tell that this side of the bird is not cooking quite as quickly as this side. So at this point, I'm going to very, very carefully, I've got double layers of gloves on here. I'm going to rotate this chicken around. Again, making sure, be careful that I don't knock it over. Again, it's being supported by the weight of that can in there. There we go. All right, now we'll just let it finish up. Should be just a few more minutes. And there we have it. Cooked perfectly, up to temperature, our mango smoked beer can chicken. All right, let's get that beer can out of here. Just gonna lift from the sides while I push down on the can with my fingers. Again, being very gentle here. All right, there we go. All right, I'm gonna flip it over here. I'm going to go in for some of this nice breast meat here. I'm just going to cut right here along the center of the middle of the chicken here. Just cut right in there. Oh man, look at that. Look at that. Come right down here. Yeah. Look at that. Beautiful, juicy. Get a little bit more here. Oh man, look at that, so good. It's the perfect texture. It's not dry at all. And the smell, I can really smell that mango happening right now. All right, you know what we gotta do. You know what time it is. It's time to taste this amazing chicken. Here we go. Just gonna grab one of these slices here. Again, perfectly cooked. So moist, so tender. Here we go. Oh man. Let me get some of this skin here. Oh, woo! Man, I gotta say it. Holy smokes, that is phenomenal. That is so, so good. First time cooking a beer can chicken on the smoker. I'd say it's pretty much an A+. I'll give it an A+. Man, so good, so moist, so tender, so flavorful. And this is gonna go great. I'm gonna serve it tonight with some herb and butter rice, and it's gonna be great. Kids are gonna love it. Everybody's gonna love it. Well, hey, thanks for checking out Holy Smokes Barbecue today for my first ever attempt at beer can chicken. Do this, you will love it. And hey, check out one of these other videos of things that we've done here recently on Holy Smokes Barbecue. Make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel if you're not already subscribed, and I will see you next time.